So guys, welcome back. We're going to be making my hair together. I'm making knotless braids for the first time. So I started with straightening my hair without it, rather an attempt to straighten my hair without it, because it didn't turn out as straight as I expected it. Probably because I didn't comb it before tying it up, but it still did what I wanted. Like, it still worked out the way I wanted it to work out, but not as straight as I expected. I used my camera and my small mirror to see the pattern, so that I had to position the camera. I kept on looking for the right position. At some point, I would shift the position so that I would be able to see the back of my hair properly. This is me here feeling myself. I was feeling myself here. I used almost a day and a half to finish making the braids. I started on Thursday morning and I finished early on Friday morning. Of course, yes, I did sleep, I rested, I ate, and I did all of those as well. Yes. This is me dancing. So I started my braids with black before adding the gold at the end, because I didn't trust that I could hide my natural hair properly. So I just decided to start with black. So just in case, now it's better to be safe than sorry. You get? If you're enjoying the video so far, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon so you'll be notified anytime I post a video. I read it halfway, then the next morning I completed it because I just wanted the roots to be done at that moment. Like that was just what I wanted. During this entire process, I stood for a while. I sat down on the chair. I sat on the handle of the chair. At some point, I was just walking around because I was just so tired. This is me almost done. I was feeling myself here, like. At this point, the next option, I was just like, let me just sit down the floor and complete it since it's just the tip now. So it was the next morning. It was on Friday morning already. So I was like, let me just sit down the floor and complete it. So like this period, I was just on the floor. This is me all done. I was feeling myself. It was tiring, but it was worth it. I was just feeling myself at this point.